Carroll Street Classics here. This is Roland Cassidy. We're talking cars today. Check out this 32 Ford Highboy Roadster. This car's an incredibly nice restoration. It has 9 miles on this, over 10 years to build this, and $85,000 worth of receipts in the build, done by a professional street rod builder who just retired recently. This was his last project. This is a Rat's Glass, fiberglass body, well-known Rat's Glass, SAC chassis out of California, custom chassis, all powder coated underneath. It's equipped with a Super Bell drop straight axle. Check it out. Full wheel disc brakes, Willwood disc brakes, authentic Ford headlights, a Dick Rodwell windshield, narrow windshield that's actually curved. Look at that. Check that out. American racing wheels, supple leather interior. I did it, steering column tilt, rack and pinion steering, custom gauges, 9 miles on this incredible car. Pistol grip M22 rock crusher transmission, power trunk release, 9-inch Ford, total custom 32 Ford Highboy Roadster. Steel hood sides, beautifully restored, sorted car. Incredible find. Going to be offered for sale at Carroll Street Classics for $39,900.